Moto checking in this morning. On our way to Boise City. Unfortunately cut down all of the trail today, but making up some good time, so it's alright. She's got some sunglasses somewhere. There they are. I'd have lost them there. I've been riding so much on the highway that I figured I just couldn't put this paddle back on. That's a good placement right there. Alright. Flip. Heading out. So Boise City is the destination. It's going to be a lot of boring highway and flatlands again, I'm sure. I actually think it's really pretty, so I'm not mad, but I do wish we could hit some more trails. It's just kind of slow going, so we're kind of just taking our time. Ponca City. That's where we're at. Actually, a neat little city. So we are roughly 5 hours from our destination, and we'll take several breaks. So it'll probably be more of a 6.5, 7 hour ride. Well, day. And we're leaving at a good time, so we should be making a pretty good time too. Alright, let's go. Okay, change of plans. We're now going to Guymon or Guymon, Oklahoma. After searching for some rooms to stay in Boise City, which I thought I did. I think I must have gotten it confused with a different place. There's like 2 motels, and they are both negatives. So we're going to Guymon, which is like an hour closer, so we're not going to be cruising as far today. But so we're just about 2.5 hours, well, probably about 3 hours away now instead of 4. So that's good. It is windy. This wind has pretty much Made me ride at an angle. Slightly to the left all the way. Alright, so 2 hours and 46 minutes, which will be probably closer to 4, but keep moving. Alright, so we are here at 5:18. Well, actually 5:22. So we are going to be making great time, get settled in, get some food. This is going to be a really short episode today. I didn't film a ton, but it's all the same stuff. There's really nothing crazy about it. So I'm going to sign off now. We will start back on the trail tomorrow, and tomorrow or after tomorrow I plan on staying on the trail until we run out of time. Anyway, like I was saying, our plan, our goal has been to get across, enjoy the east and then just get across the west. We've not been dying to stay over here. We've not been dying to stay in the west, so now that we're getting pretty much all past it, we got just a little bit more to go, and then through New Mexico, and then into the mountains. So, hope you enjoyed this episode today, a short one. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe. We will see you guys tomorrow.